Rahim. In the previous class we have gone to the introduction of the visual programming and I am seeing all the new faces. पिछले क्लास में कौन था इस क्लास आप में से? Just one student. I cannot repeat those topics. I am very sorry to speak this. Clear? Because already you have a half credit on the campus. Whatever is there, all are available on the LMS. The recordings are available over there, so watch them. And let me go to the new topic, that is the this week topic. In this week we are going for the very first programming in the C#. So we have opened made a folder in D drive specifically, if you remember that, and I think this was what we did in the previous class. Let us see what was written over there. But before going further in this, let me make a copy of it. Control C and Control V, and let me write here dash 2. 2 means week number 2, and let me add dash 1 with the previous, so to have a complete track of the lectures with you. So let me open this but not going directly opening it, but open the C# Visual Studio 2008 or 2015, whatsoever is there. We have discussed this in the previous class. So open it and open the project, what we did in the previous class. So visual, and this is week number 2 now. So BSCS 2020, and the form is opened. Now let me run the application. This is the Solution Explorer, and you can see the form over here. This was the form, and let me run the application. So this was just the first form that we made in the previous class with the name of Allah. Now let's design this form and go further in today's lecture, what to be done in today's class. So let me add some other labels to this. Say adding a label, click on the label, and here you write add a label and change the text of the label. Aba Seen University Peshawar. The label is added, and you can see it over here. Let me add one other label over here, a Department of Computing and Technology. Department, don't write Department of Computing and Technology, but write the Student Information System. Clear? So I have added 2 labels. Let me minimize the size of the first label with the name of Allah, whatever is there. So click on the label, then fonts, and let me make it say 15. Clear? Bring it to the center. Abbas University Peshawar, make its size 20. And student information size, again make it 15. So now you can see that I have a bit designed the interface for the form. I really understand you do not understand, but this is not a fault of mine. Clear? Because university is open from 7 and this is now 21st. So of course you have to deal with the classes if you wish to learn the course. But anyhow, let me add one other form. Okay, let me save it and run the application. And you see, with the name of Allah, Abbasian University Peshawar and Student Information System. Clear? Now add one other form in the Solution Explorer, whatever is here. If you click on this pin, so the auto height will be stopped, and now it is pinned over here. But if you again click on this, when you bring a mouse upon the Solution Explorer, it is visible to you and it hides them. Can you see it? So add another form over here. How can you add a form? Click on the project name, then click on the add and click on the window form. What? Window form. So I am clicking on this. So you can see add new form, new item, and the name is form 2. Give it a proper name. Let me make this form for swapping values. What? Swap values. Clear? And I added it. So this is a new form that has been added. Extended size horizontally and vertically. Clear? Now again form the labels, because we have discussed in the previous class that if you wish to learn the programming, you have to care about the interface. It is very much important. Some of the students are saying, let's see the interface later on and let's make the programming. So it is a wrong attitude or a wrong approach. So again let me add the labels. Change its text. Now look at, I have added the labels over here and I'm adding the same labels over here. Is it clear? So it becomes sometimes the design flaw. If I change the font of this one or the size change, you are not being attracted properly. Clear? So it is good to copy from here and paste over there. Whatsoever is whatever you like. Anyhow, this is my second week. Of course, your first week. So now change the font. So in the properties windows, you have selected the text. Click on the font and make it 15. So the size, no, it is 20, sorry. Clear? Now let me write one, add another label. I'm not adding a label, but I am copying this one. Copy and paste over here to both of the methods. Now here you add a title. Swap and display messages. We always try to give a meaningful titles to the farms. That if one man look to the farm, he understand the purpose of the farm. نہیں سمجھ آئی اب اس کا کیا مطلب ہوا؟ swap and display message means that you are exchanging the values and you are displaying them. So one man who looks over here, he will understand what you wish. Now, I wish to display first some of the messages. For this purpose, let me add a text box. So this is the toolbar. Search a text box over here, MNOPQRST. Normally it no, this is the text box. Clear? And let me add a label to this also. Clear? Now change the titles and the name of the text box. So label 1 is, let me change its text. First message. What is this title now? First message. And change the name of the text box. So by clicking the text box, come and here it is written text box 1. So give its name txt m1. M1 stands for message 1. It stands for message 1. No. Let me save them and add a button over here, the button. Clear? And give it name BTN display. What? BTN display. What it means? To display the message. BTN display means to display the message. Now its name is changed, but the label is still button 1. Also change the text of the button also. Display message. So if you extend it, the entire message is now displayed to you. Clear? The font is very small. So let me make the font size, if you look, it is 8.25. So make it 10, sorry. Clear? Also this font is small, so also change its font. So select both of them and 10. Clear? So the size is increased. Now save it and again run the application. So look at the student information form is in front of me, but the other form is not visible to me. Can you see it? I can directly open it also. Clear? But I wish to introduce calling one form from another form. What? Calling one form from another form. For this purpose, this is the parent form. This is the parent form, and add a button over here. Button 1. Clear? Now change its label. BTN swap. मैंने इसका क्या नाम दिया? BTN swap. और लेवल भी मैं इसका दे दूं टेक्स्ट स्वैप फॉर्म. क्लियर? हमें जी तो नहीं आ रही. मैंने कहा नहीं यार, पिछले हफ्ते आप कहाँ थी? हाँ सर, बहरहाल मैं टाइम आपको दूंगा, डोंट वरी अबाउट, ठीक है. लेकिन मजबूरी है कि हम एक चीज़ को बार बार रिपीट नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है. पिछला लेक्चर मैंने LMS पर अपलोड भी किया हुआ है, ठीक है. LMS शायद आपने ओपन भी नहीं किया, ठीक है. बहरहाल अभी मैं आपको क्लास में टाइम दूंगा, ठीक है. लेकिन आई एम 100% श्योर कि आपको नहीं समझ आ रही. आपको नहीं, सबको नहीं समझ आ रही, सिवाय एक बंदा. पिछले हफ्ते कौन था? सिर्फ आप. शायद आपको थोड़ी बहुत समझ आती है. नहीं कर सकता, सॉरी, ठीक है ना. अच्छा प्लीज़, अब रिकॉर्डिंग मैंने की है, मैं दे दूंगा. लेकिन ये है कि आपकी गलती है ना. अपनी गलती मुझसे क्यों सही करवाते हो, ठीक है. 7 महीने घर में गुजार दिए ना, ये नहीं तो अब खैर है ना. एनी हाउ प्लीज़, आई एम विद यू. खैर है, मैं आपकी हेल्प करूँगा, ठीक है. नो क्लिक ऑन दिस स्वैप फॉर्म. ओपन कर दिया. अब यहाँ पर मुझे कोई टेक्स्ट लिखना पड़ेगा. व्हाट इज़ दैट टेक्स्ट? कि मैं इससे ये फॉर्म 1 कॉल करूँ. कौन सा? ये फॉर्म 1 कॉल करूँ. फॉर दिस पर्पस, सॉरी फॉर्म 2 जो है यहाँ पर, ये स्वैप वैल्यूज वाला. स्वैप वैल्यूज ये देखिए 2-4 लाइनें ऐसी हैं जो आपको रटना पड़ेंगी. समझ आ रही कि नहीं? इसमें कोई ख़ास लॉजिक नहीं है, ठीक है. मैं बाद में समझाऊंगा. देयर इज़ अ लॉजिक, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू मी दिस इज़ द सेकंड वीक, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू यू दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट वीक. बहरहाल ठीक है. फ़िलहाल आप इसको रट लें कि समझ नहीं आ रही, ठीक है ना. एंड if rm1 dot show, ठीक. अब देखिए मैंने क्या कर दिया, एक वेरिएबल डिक्लेयर कर दिया फॉर्म 1 के नाम से, फॉरवर्ड फॉर स्वैप वैल्यूज, और एंड देन आई कॉल इट टू डिस्प्ले. अब आप देखिए इसको मैं ओपन करता हूं, वही फॉर्म नजर आ गया कि नहीं, एंड नो शो, तो वो डिस्प्ले हो गया. समझ आ गई कि नहीं? अब यहाँ पर मैं कोई टेक्स्ट लिखता हूँ. लेट मी राइट सम टेक्स्ट ओवर हियर, एंड व्हेन आई क्लिक दिस बटन तो वो टेक्स्ट मुझे डायलॉग मैसेज में डिस्प्ले हो. मैं ज़रा जल्दी कर रहा हूँ कि आपके लिए सेकंड फेज भी मैं रख लूँ, आपको टाइम भी दूँ, ठीक है. एनी हाउ, नाउ कम टू स्वैप वैल्यूज डिस्प्ले मैसेज. अब देखिए इस फील्ड का नाम क्या है? M1. क्या नाम है इसका? M1. तो मैं क्या करता हूं, यहां पर बटन 1 के पीछे एक टेक्स्ट लिखता हूं, मैसेज बॉक्स डॉट शो, ठीक. और क्या? txt M1 डॉट टेक्स्ट, कि मुझे M1 डॉट टेक्स्ट जो है मुझे मैसेज बॉक्स में शो कर दे, ठीक. हाउ इट इज डन? एग्जीक्यूटेड स्वैप फॉर्म. लेट मी राइट, सैयद इरफानुल्लाह एंड डिस्प्ले मैसेज. इट हैज़ बीन डिस्प्लेड. क्लियर? अच्छा, अब मैं ऐसे करता हूँ, आई एम स्टॉपिंग माई लेक्चर ओवर हियर. समझ आ गई? आपके पास जो है इट इज़ अराउंड 1 आवर, ठीक है. लेक्चर 1 को आप पूरा वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग अवेलेबल है, वो आप देख लें, ये भी आप देख लें, ठीक है. और आज की क्लास में आप लोग कम से कम ये करें टू run the first program in C sharp. To run the first program in C sharp. Thank you. I am Dr. Saeed Irfanullah from Abbasian University, Peshawar.